connection. Nature helped me to reconnect to myself and my mum. For some time, I felt like all my senses got shut down. Like I wasn't really able to take in any sort of sensation from the outside, and being in nature taught me again to reconnect to my body and my senses. By noticing the textures and the smells, the feeling of sun on my skin, the occasional breeze that I'd feel while being in nature, it shows you again how to connect to your senses and to all the things around you. And you know, in a way, you are still connected to your loved one, even if you can't see it. If you have lost a parent, for example, they are still connected to you because they keep living on in you and through you.